Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about high pressure pump because it's lots of questions about what pump I have to use, what kind of pump I have to use, what fitting I have to use, and all that questions around. So for our suspension and for other bikes, even if it's motorcycle, doesn't matter, we should use high pressure pump. So this pump, specifically this pump, it's up to 300 psi, and you have special fitting for your shredder valve, so for your air valve. So what kind of unique about this fitting, and why like regular pump what you use for on a compressor, like example, or for your tubes, for your tires, for your wheels, why it doesn't work, or it's not the best option for the fork. So look, here is a connector, like fitting, right? So fitting from two parts, and it's connected to each other, and it's like screwed to each other just this way. So how to use it? First, we have to unscrew that part and extend fitting. What it does, we remove, as you can see, probably here inside, the pin what going to press on our core in our air valve. So once you extend it, nothing press on core, and your pressure it's holding in your fork. So what we have to do in that case, you just extend, you just like attach to your air valve, and you tied it. So you tied it, nothing press on the core, so your pressure still inside the fork, and here everything sealed. So after that you just press that part in, and you start to screw it in. When you tied it, inner part will press that core in your air valve. Press it, and you just start to pump it, and you just pump. It's very easy to pump because here is a very small piston, so in that case it's very easy to pump. And since you got your pressure what you need, this pump going up to 300 psi, and usually in our fork, depending on a rider weight, but it's 115, from 115 to 165 maybe, for some heavy riders. For me, I'm almost 200 pounds, it's about like 95 kilo, and for me 120 is perfect, 120 psi. So once you get your psi what you need, you do all same procedure on opposite way. So you just open first top part, and when you open it, it's just pump like this, pumps out. So in that case, your air not releasing from the, or your pressure not releasing from the fork, and everything you just release your pin from the core, and this core honestly closed. And since that, you can just easily open your main tube valve. If you don't have this system, if everything gonna be right away like normal pump, once you start to undo your fitting, you can hear that noise like psss, so pressure releasing. But the problem is with high pressure, when it's like 120 psi, this sound like psss, it can be like at least 5 psi missing from your fork right away. So that's why it's very important to have proper tools with proper fitting to get your proper result. I hope it was useful, I hope it was simple for explanation, and you guys can use it and enjoy it. By the way, this pump on AliExpress, like example, it's around 10 bucks, so it's very cheap. Okay, I hope this video was useful for you, and please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next videos.